Welcome to SoMo, an all-in-one social mobility app. SoMo lets you plan, share, and ride in a way that's simple and hassle-free. Today, John is creating a gathering for his daily commute to work. First, he'll tap Create a Gathering. He'll enter the gathering details, add his group name, the destination, set the ride to repeat daily, and invite coworkers. John's coworkers will receive invitations to the gathering via push notification. Maria taps her invite notification and is brought to the gathering screen where she can RSVP, view event details, and join or offer a ride. A few coworkers are interested in joining her ride. They will receive a notification once their ride is approved. When it's time to leave, Maria taps Drive. All the riders will receive a notification when Maria starts driving, and they'll receive ETAs along the way, ensuring an easy and efficient carpool. SoMo, the app that gets you where you want to go.